bro.
When you get no sleep, nigga. Go.
If you don't stop, I ain't gonna be able to do it.
Okay. Go. I'm trying.
It's not getting me anywhere. It's burning my tongue.
What tongue? You wanna show YouTube your tongue?
Huh?
You got burp yet? Really?
I'm like halfway through.
Take a sip and you gotta keep swallowing. I swallow air. Nigga! That's it from half a can? Maybe you gotta chug it.
Whoa, there's a peep squeak burp.
I'm doing louder than you. Come on.
I think I'm walking out another one. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna try to chug the rest of the can.
Just keep swallowing. Swallow again. TikTok.
Huh?
Push it out.
Here, give me a minute. I can feel it. It's just like it didn't come up yet.
That's it?
So yeah.
I gotta say bye.
Bye.
Peace out. From Wisconsin.